except God, except God. And if there is something here that we people can understand, if today we are surviving here, definitely it became possible only and only because of the grace of the God. It means that directly or indirectly, we people can say that God is here. That's why we are here. That's why we are living. That's why we are. I am doing something. I am speaking something, and you people are hearing something. Okay. One day I will die. We will die, but there will be something left there. Okay, but we people will not there. So a source who stayed there, a source who stay here, and a source who will stay after the discretion. Means a thing who stayed before the creation of the world, who stays here in the present, and who will stay after the discretion of the entire world. That is truth. Wisdom. And we people are comparing this truth with the God. God is truth here because before our birth, God was there. If we are living, if we are surviving on the earth, definitely that became possible only and only because of God. It means God is here. Definitely one day I will die, but the remaining world will left. It means that the remaining world will survive. Definitely, well, this that will be possible only and only because of the grace of the God. It is going to say that it means definitely God will stay in the future. That's why the next generation will survive there. It means God was in the past, God is in the present, and God will be in the future. But we people are not in the past. We people are in the present, and definitely one day I will die. We will die. इसलिए कहते हैं ना, सज धज कर जिस दिन मौत की शहजादी आएगी, ना सोना काम आएगा ना चांदी आएगी. और माय गुरुदेव ऑलवेज सेज वन थिंग, रट ले मन राम नाम, संग कछु ना जाए, धन दौलत और गाड़ी घोड़ा सब यहीं रह जाए. We can't take anything along with us because it is possible to hold anything. Because definitely one thing that will go with we all, our behavior, आपकी goodwill, आपकी अच्छाई, आपके साथ जाए. Definitely, no one is here who can say that he will not do that. Definitely, we people are able to understand. Sachidanand Rupaya. So Vyas is comparing God with truth. God को सत्य कहा भगवान व्यास ने. Sachidanand Rupaya. God is truth. God is, when people start chanting the name of God, definitely directly or indirectly, but we people starts feeling very interesting. आनंद जिसको कहते हैं. People starts entertaining the name of the God. Vishwa Utpatyad. It means God is a source from the entire world created. जहां से पूरी दुनिया बनी. विश्व उत्पत्त्यादि यानी कि the entire world is going to start from the source, and the name of the source is called God. तापत्र विनाशाय. A God is basically the source which has both the pervading power and the commanding power. Definitely, I will discuss on this slope in very detail on tomorrow because today is already 1 hour completed. So definitely on the next day, tomorrow. So from this slope, Vyasji is going to say, Vyasji was explaining the importance of God, the definition of God. परम तत्व परमात्मा की जो परिभाषा है वो इसमें दी गई. So before making an entry in Bhagavad Mahapuran, श्री व्यास जी सैल्यूटेड श्री कृष्ण. हे कृष्ण, आप ऐसे ब्रह्म हैं जिससे विश्व की उत्पत्ति हुई और एक दिन ये पूरी दुनिया आप में ही समा जाएगी. आप ही आनंद के देवता हैं, आप ही सत्य हैं. आपके सिवाय संसार में कुछ भी सत्य नहीं है. आप सत्य थे, आप सत्य हैं और आप ही सत्य रहोगे. इसी बात को भगवान कृष्ण को प्रणाम करके, भागवत में उनको प्रणाम करके भागवत में प्रवेश किया गया. सो वी पीपल ऑलरेडी entered in the Srimad Bhagavad Mahapuran, and from tomorrow we people will discuss further and further on this particular topic, Bhagavad Sati. And every day, first of all, I will discuss something on Sati Maya, and definitely after that, we people will make an entry in Srimad Bhagavad Mahapuran because I have 8 days left. So definitely I will try to do something special for you all. आज के लिए हम आप सभी के चरणों में बहुत बहुत जय जय श्री राम.